Hi, my name is Derek Henry with Accelerate Consulting. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use named ranges in Excel and also how to use the Accelerate macro add named ranges from list to add them super fast. This example file has several worksheets with the same structure but different time periods. The file has some key data points we want to reference in other files and tie out to. Named ranges work great for this because even if you add columns or rows, the named reference still stays the same. To add a named range, you can use the name box up at the top here. So I'm just going to use sales and press enter, and then it adds it, and it's a selectable item in this drop-down list. So if I go somewhere else in the sheet, I go to click that, it jumps to that cell that we set the name for. To edit, you can go to the Formulas ribbon tab up here, go to the Name Manager, and then from here you can add a new one, you can edit, you can delete. We're going to go ahead and delete that one because we're going to set a named range to that cell here in just a moment. To add named ranges in bulk, we'll use the Add Named Ranges from List macro, again within the Accelerate add-in. So what happens when you run this the first time, it creates this sheet with this exact name, although it's blank, it doesn't have this data in here. I've filled this in just to expedite in the video here. But it's got column headers up here that guide you through the process of what to do to make this work. Notice in column C there's a formula that builds out the entire address that you need to set the named range based on the sheet name, the column, the first column, the row, the second column, and then the second row there. So it takes all these and builds a formula. So you can take that, you can copy it and paste the values here. The main two columns that are used for the macro are these two right here. You need to have a name and you need to have the range to set it to. Now that can be one cell, it can also be multiple cells, but the address range needs to be in the same sheet. So I'm going to run that macro right now, and it's going to add all of those range names almost instantly. So if we go up here to the box, we have all of these range names now that we can use. A couple other notes about named ranges. They can reference one or more cells like we just talked about. Cells can actually be referenced in multiple range names. Names for multiple cells are helpful when combining with data validation, pivot tables, lookup functions, and macros. Again, it's really useful because the named range is going to pretty much stay the same. You can expand it, you can contract it, but you don't have to worry about somebody accidentally inserting a column and all of a sudden the hard reference that you used is no good anymore. And lastly, range names can actually be dynamic where the range of rows can grow over time using the offset and count A functions. That's it for this video covering named ranges in Excel. You can find more videos like this one and many other resources on our website at www.accelerate.co. Thanks for watching and have an excellent day.